I was like testing it.
Perfect. And write your name on there for me.
Okay.
Excellent. So I'll take the Sharpie back. All right. So, place your hand on top of that. Now, do you know what they have in common? You have $1 and a quarter. What do they have in common?
They're worth something?
They're money, yeah. They both have Washington.
I was
on
gonna
it,
say,
right? They
yeah.
both have Washington. They're the only currency that has that besides the penny and the $5 bill, which has Lincoln.
Lincoln, yeah.
We're going to try something with Washington.
Okay.
Okay? Did you feel it? You can be honest. You didn't? It's okay. We'll try it
Was I
again.
supposed to?
Did you feel it that time?
No.
It's very subtle. It's okay. A lot of people don't. Do me a favor. Can you dump out the quarter?
Dump it out?
Yeah, dump out the quarter.
So just...
Yeah. Take it out. Go ahead and take a look at that quarter.
It's on the quarter, Josh.
Do you notice anything weird about the quarter?
No. I feel like she knows her
Maybe
quarters,
maybe
like,
flip over and
yeah.
look for the face of the quarter. Maybe
Okay.
look for where Washington is. It's weird. It's only like there's only an eagle on that quarter.
There's no Washington, is there?
There isn't. Huh.
Yoshi, you know Washington, like, it's supposed to be on there. It's supposed to, it's heads or tails.
That's strange, right?
There is a...
I wonder where he went. It's almost like you have one other thing that you haven't opened up
The
yet.
dollar!
Open up the dollar.
I love you, Leslie.
Okay,
She said the dollar.
Oh,
Hold on. No, you're gonna need to,
Okay,
flip that.
there's two Washingtons.
This is impossible. It's like the mirror effect in Washington. What do you mean right now?
What?
What do you mean
like
right
the whole Instagram.
What do you...
Do you guys want to tell the camera what just happened?
Oh my god.
He blew my mind away.
Freaking blew my bro,
Wow.
mind fuck.
Wow, yeah, this is not real. Wow, this is, wow.
That's your dollar, yeah?
You just
Has your
won
name on
a
it?
dollar. Wait,
This
but
is this
make
name
it
on
one
it.
Washington, because this is creepy.
They're not gonna take that shit. They're not gonna take
Right? This is, wow, this is amazing. This is amazing.
Awesome.